Hello friends, I am Sachin Gupta and I welcome to you on my YouTube channel where I am uploading the video of the mathematical concept. Today student I talk about the chapter of the differentiation of the class 12th of the RS equal, and in this video student I solve exercise 10I from question number 15 to 21. I want to say that student I already solved the question number from 1 to 14 in the previous lecture. Those students want to see, go on my description box where I give the link of the previous lecture, and where student you find the link of the previous lecture, then you watch. And here student I already write here question number from 15 to 17 of the exercise 10I. Question number 15 is telling here student that if x is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t and value of y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t, then we have to show that the value of dy by dx is cot t. Since student I already tell you in the previous lectures that whenever this type of question are given, then we differentiate x and y both separately with respect to third variable, and here student third variable is given as a t, so I differentiate x and y both with respect to t, because this both x and y are the function of t here student. So I write here question number 15, the value of x is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t, and value of y is student 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. So here student I already write the value of x and y. Now I differentiate both sides with respect to t, both x and y. Then we get our student dx by dt and dy by dt. Let's firstly I find the value of dx by dt. When you differentiate cos t, then this give student minus sin t, and when we multiply by 3 minus sin t, then this become minus 3 sin t student. And write 2 as well as here student, and differential of cos cube t is 3 times cos square t, and student when you again differentiate cos t, then this gives student minus sin t. Now student you can take a common plus 3 sin t here from both these terms, then you then this becomes student, then this become minus 3 sin t, I take common, this becomes student minus 1, then this become minus plus, and 3 sin t I take common, then this becomes student 2 cos square t, and this is the formula of student cos 2t. So I write in the place of bracket terms cos 2t student, cos 2t. This is the value of dx by dt here. Now I calculate the dy by dt. When you differentiate both sides y with respect to student t, then differential of sin t is student cos t, and 3 come as a coefficient outside, then this becomes student 3 cos t, and 2 I write as well as here student, and differential of sin cube t is student 3 times sin square t, and the differential of sin t is become student cos t. मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा स्टूडेंट कि मैंने पहले ही बहुत सारे फॉर्मूले आप लोग को बताए हुए हैं और बहुत सारे डिफरेंशिएशन करके दिखाए हुए हैं। तो मैं अब चूंकि ये एक्सरसाइज 10I चल रही है, तो मैं इसमें आपको हर एक लाइन बाय लाइन नहीं लिखता कि मैं डिफरेंशिएट कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं वहां पे लिखूं वी आर डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी। मैं जो कह रहा हूं आपको वो सुनना होगा ध्यान से। अगर आप ये वीडियो डायरेक्टली देख रहे हो तो मैं आपसे बताना चाहूंगा कि ये वीडियो आप डायरेक्टली मत देखिए। पहले के जो मैंने वीडियो बनाए हुए हैं, जो लेक्चर बनाए हुए हैं, पहले आप उनको देख लीजिए, तब आपको बहुत ही अच्छा समझ में आएगा। क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम बहुत सारी चीजें डायरेक्ट लिख देते हैं तो आप इसमें कंफ्यूज होंगे। इससे अच्छा ये है कि आप पहले वाली वीडियो देख लें, फिर इसके बाद ये वीडियो देखें। तो here student I find the value of dy by dt, and here student 3 cos t and 3 cos t occur on the both terms, so I take common here 3 cos t I take common, then this become 1 minus 2 sin square t, and this is again the formula of student cos 2t. So I put the value of bracket terms, in the place of bracket terms I put the value of cos 2t student. This is the value of cos this is the value of dy by dt here student. Now since we want to calculate student dy by dx, which is calculated by student dy by dt divided by dx by dt. When we put the value of dy by dt, student, then this become 3 cos t and cos 2t whole divided by 3 sin t whole divided by cos 2t. Here you are watching that, student, cos 2t get cancelled to each other and 3 also get cancelled. Then this becomes, student, cot t. This is here to prove in question number 15. So question number 15 is completed. Now I go on question number 16, student. Question number 16 is given here. If x is equal to 1 plus log t whole divided by t square and y is equal to 3 plus 2 log t whole divided by t, and we want to show that the value of dy by dx is equal to t. Here, student, value of dy by dx is, we want to prove t. So student, again x and y again the function of t. So I again differentiate x and y with respect to t, student. Firstly I erase question number 15 here. So student, let's write here the value of x and y. Here x is equal to 1 plus log t divided by t square, and value of y is, student, 3 plus 2 log t whole divided by t. Now I differentiate it with respect to t. Dx by dt equal to t square d by dt, not x, because we are differentiating t. Then here come d by dt of 1 plus log t and minus 1 plus log t come as well as, and differential of t square. Now student, I divide by t square of t square, because in the formula here second square, we divide by second square, function of second square here, student. Then t square I write as well as, and 1, student, is become 0. Differential of 1 is become 0. Differential of log t is, student, 1 upon t, minus sign I write as well as, and this bracket 1 plus log t I write as well as, and here differential of t square is become, student, 2t. Now I divide whole terms, divide by t raised to the power 4 here, student. Then this become value of dx by dt is, student, this t and this t get cancelled, so only remaining only t here, student, and this 2t multiply inside the terms, student, inside the bracket terms. Then this become 2t and this become 2t log t, and when I multiply minus sign also, then this become minus 2t log t here, student, and I write t raised to the power 4 as well as, and the value of dx by dt is here come, student. When you subtract this t, then this becomes, student, minus t and minus 2t log t whole divided by t raised to the power 4. When you take common here minus t, student, then this become 1 plus 2 log t divided by t raised to the power 4. When you calculate this t by t raised to the power 4, student, then its power reduce 1, so only minus sign is remaining here, and this power is become 3, because this power is already 4. When we subtract 1 power, then this becomes, student, 3 power. Now we differentiate y with respect to t both sides, student. Then this give dy by dt, and here we apply first second rule of the differentiation. Now, student, I write t as well as, and differentiate first function 3 plus 2 log t, and write first function as well as, first function is, student, 3 times 2 log t, and differentiate second function t by dt of t, and whole divided by square of second function. Second function is here t. I already tell you again and again that when we differentiate the numerator terms, student, then fraction terms, then numerator part take as a first function and denominator part take as a second function, and your formula is second d by dx of first minus first d by dx of second, and whole divided by square of second, student. Now we put the value of differentiate these terms, and differential of 3 is, student, 0, because this is the constant term, and 2 I take outside, and differential of log t is, student, 1 upon t, 3 plus 2 log t I write as well as, and differential of t is, student, 1, and whole divided by t square. Dy by dt I write again, and this t and this t get cancelled to each other, then this becomes, student, 2, and here student we multiply by 1, then this bracket come as well as, and also I multiply minus sign with the terms inside of the bracket, then this become minus 3 and minus 2 log t whole divided by t square, then dy by dt is come here student, this become minus 1 and minus 2 log t divided by t square. This is the value of dy by dt. This is the value of dy by dt here student. If you take a minus sign common from the numerator part, then this becomes student minus sign as a common here, then this become minus time 1 plus 2 log t. Now student, I find the value of dy by dx, which is calculated by dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So student, you put the value of dy by dt. What is the value of dy by dt? Minus 1 plus 2 log t divided by t square and whole divided by student. The value of dx by dt here student, minus 1 plus 2 log t divided by t cube. Now student, if you are watching that numerator parts are same of the both fraction, so get cancelled to each other, minus minus also get cancelled, and this t cube and t square also cancel, this t square cancel its power student, because it's only remaining one power, so t is the only remaining term which is on the dividation of 1 upon t, and this t goes on the upside, then we get only t. Then student, here we find the value of dy by dx is t, which is hence proved of the question number student 16, which is already here given the value of dy by dx is equal to t. Now student, question number 16 is solved. I go on question number 17, and firstly I erase this. Now student, here question number 16, as I already say you that here x and y two functions are dependent on the third variable. Since here third variable is theta here student, so this time we are differentiating with respect to theta, not t student, because x and y are the function of theta. So I take here question number 17, x is equal to a times 1 theta minus sine theta, theta minus sine theta, and student, the value of y is given a times 1 minus cos theta. So here student, as I say, I differentiate both sides with respect to theta, so we get dx by d theta, and write here d theta, and a I take as well as theta minus sine theta I write as well as student. Firstly I write here d by d theta both sides, and I also write here dy by d theta, d by d theta of a1 minus cos theta. Now student, I differentiate these values, then we get dx by d theta is equal to a is a coefficient here, so I take outside, differential of theta with respect to theta is student 1, and differential of sine theta is become student cos theta. Now you differentiate here student, a as a coefficient, so I take outside, differential of 1 is student 0, and differential of cos theta is minus sine theta. Since minus sign is already present here, then minus minus become plus student, then this become sine theta only, and value of dy by d theta is student a sine theta. As student, I want to calculate the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2. Firstly, I calculate the value of dy by dx. When I get the value of dy by dx, then I put the value theta as a pi by 2. So firstly, I calculate the value of dy by dx, which is calculated by dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. The value of dy by d theta is a sine theta student, a sine theta, and value of dx by d theta is a times 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus cos theta student. A get cancelled, then this become only student sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Now student, मैं बताना चाहूंगा आपको कि जब कभी भी आपको डी वाई बाई डी एक्स की वैल्यू किसी एक पॉइंट पर निकालनी हो तो आप उसको इस तरह से नोटेशन में दिखा सकते हो, डी वाई बाई डी एक्स एट x is at theta is equal to pi by 2 student. Then you put the value of theta here student, which is given in the here this notation. Then this becomes student sin pi by 2 and 1 minus cos pi by 2. Then student value of sin pi by 2, you know this is the 1 and this one come as well as, and cos pi by 2 its value is 0. So answer your become student 1. This is the answer of question number 17 student. Now I solve more question of this exercise. It's before I pause the video and write more question of this exercise. Here student I write only question number 18 because question number 18 take more space, so I take only one question this time. So firstly I solve this question and take after it more question of exercise. Here student question number 18 is given that if x is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y is equal to 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta, and so that the value of dy by dx is equal to tan 3 theta by 2. So here student we want to prove that the value of dy by dx is tan 3 theta by 2. So firstly, since I already tell you that x and y are dependent on the here student theta, so we differentiate this time with respect to theta x and y. So I write here student solution, differentiate write x value of x is equal to 2 cos theta and minus cos 2 theta. When student we differentiate it with respect to theta, then this gives student differential of cos theta is become minus sin theta. So I write minus sign before of the 2 and minus, and this differential of cos 2 theta is student sin 2 theta, sorry minus sin 2 theta, and minus is already present here, then minus minus become plus. And one more thing student, when you again differentiate 2 theta with respect to theta, then this becomes student 2, and this is the value of student dx by d theta here. And here student I also take the value of y which is given here, 2 times sin theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Now student I differentiate y with respect to theta both sides student. Then differential of sin theta is become cos theta, so I write it as well as, and differential of sin 2 theta is become student 2 times cos 2 theta, 2 times cos 2 theta. This is the value of dy by d theta. Now since we calculate the we want to calculate the value of dy by dx, we want to calculate the value of dy by dx, which is student calculated by dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. And now I put the value of dy by d theta, which is 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta whole divided by minus 2 sin theta and plus 2 sin 2 theta. Now student you take 2 common and cancel from numerator and denominator part, then this becomes student cos theta and cos 2 theta whole divided by, and student you can write it sin 2 theta right firstly because this is a positive, and sin theta, this minus sin theta I write here minus sin theta. Now student I open the formula of cos theta and cos 2 theta in the terms of sin, then this becomes student cos theta is become student 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and minus, when you open the formula of cos 2 theta in the term of sin theta student, then this become 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now student I divide by the formula of sin 2 theta can be written as a 2 times sin theta into cos theta student, and sin theta I write as well as, you know the formula of sin 2 theta and cos theta student, Now student, when we multiply this minus side inside of the bracket, then this minus 1 and this plus 1 get cancelled, and this becomes student plus 2 sine square theta. So I write it plus 2 sine square theta minus, and this is student, this become negative, so it remain negative student. So I write minus 2 sine square theta by 2. So here I write here student, take sine theta common from here. I take common sine theta, and then this become 2 cos theta minus 1. Now student, now now I open the formula of sine theta again here student, in the term of sine cos, which is 2 times sine theta into cos theta. Since here student sine square is coming, so I also square of this value, because this is the value of sorry student, here theta by 2 is occurred because we open the formula of theta student only, not sine 2 theta. Formula of sine theta is 2 times sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Since here occurring is square, so I also squared these terms. And here student, I write a minus 2 as well as, and this sine square theta by 2 I write as well as. And here student, I open the formula of sine theta. This time I write as well as sine theta. After it, open the formula of. Now student, you open the formula of cos theta here, then this becomes student, this become student to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2 and minus 1. Now student, I proceed this value when we square and we solve this, then this become 8 sine square theta by 2 into cos square theta by 2, and this is come as well as student minus 2 sine square theta by 2 and whole divide by sine theta I write as well as. When you solve these terms, then 2 and minus 1 student become plus 1, and this is become student, this become 2 to 4, and this becomes student 4 sine square theta by 2. Now student, you can take common from here, this is 2 sine square theta by 2 I take common, then this become cos square theta by 2, 4 times cos square theta by 2 minus student, this becomes student 1, this become 1 whole divide by sine theta can be write as a in the term of theta by 2, sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. In the place of sine theta, I write the value 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 from the formula of sine 2 theta student. Now this one can be written as a cos square theta by 2 plus sine square theta by 2 and minus 4 sine square theta by 2, right? I as well as student, I proceed this. Now student, now I put the value of 1 here also. You can write since student sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and here 1 is also coming, and we want to make it as a cos and sine only, and I want to remove 1 student, so I put the value of sine square theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2, because here angle is come as a theta by 2, so I also take a same angle theta by 2 here student, and also here I put the value of 1 student as a cos square theta by 2 and sine square theta by 2. Now student 2 sine square theta by 2 I write as well as, this becomes student 4 cos square theta by 2 and minus, and one more thing student, this is a minus sign. When you multiply minus sign both sides, then this become minus 1 and both these terms become negative student. So I put here minus sine square theta by 2 and minus cos square theta by 2 and whole divide by student, this becomes student here I want to cancel these terms student, and this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and sine theta by 2 and its power get cancelled. Then here remaining term is student sine theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, which become student which become cot theta by 2, which become, sorry student, tan theta by 2, not cot. This become tan theta by 2. Now student this bracket is remaining here. Cos square theta by 2 come as well as, cos square theta by 2 come as well as, and this becomes student minus 3 sine square theta by 2. Now student I erase these terms. I write dy by dx here also. This is the value of dy by dx. Here some places, here I write student the value of dy by dx. Tan theta by 2 I write as well as, tan theta by 2 I write as well as, and this student become 4 cos square theta by 2 minus cos square theta by 2 become 3 cos square theta by 2 minus student, this become minus sine square theta by 2 and whole divided by student, this becomes student I write it as well as cos square theta by 2 minus 3 times sine square theta by 2. Now I erase the value of dx by d theta and dy by d theta, and here student dy by dx is come, if I divide numerator and denominator terms by student cos square theta by 2, then cos square theta by 2 I write here student 3 cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2 whole divided by cos square theta by 2, and student this is cos square theta by 2 minus 3 times sine square theta by 2 divided by cos square theta by 2. Now student this cos square become 1 and sine square upon cos become tan. I write here dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2 I write as well as, this becomes student only 3 and this become tan square theta by 2, and student this become 1 and this become student 3 tan square theta by 2. Now student if you multiply these terms inside the bracket, then this become 3 tan theta by 2 minus tan cube theta by 2 whole divided by 1 minus 3 times tan square theta by 2, and this is the formula of student tan 3 theta. I write here formula of student tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. You can match here student these values in all the terms, in all the place of the theta here student come theta by 2. So I also put this value as a tan 3 theta by 2 student, tan 3 times theta by 2. I can write it like as student tan 3 theta by 2, which is meaning as a tan 3 theta by 2, which is same meaning, which have same meaning student tan 3 theta by 2, and this is proved here student RHS. This is proved here RHS. So student this question is solved. Now I solved more question of this exercise. Here student I write question number 19, that is x is equal to sine cube t whole divided by under root cos 2t and y equal to cos cube t divided by under root cos 2t and find the value of dy by dx. So student, since x and y are the function of t, so we again differentiate x and y with respect to t, and write student dx by dt, and write here d by dt of sine cube t divided by under root cos 2t. Here student we apply first second rule of the differentiation, which is second d by dx of first minus first d by dx of second student. Now student, whole divide by square of second. So value of dx by dt is become student root cos 2t, root cos 2t come, as well as differential of sine cube t is student 3 times sine square t, and when you again differentiate sine t, then this becomes student cos t, and this sine cube t I write as well as, and differential of under root cos 2t is become student 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t, and student you again differentiate cos 2t, then this give minus sine 2t, and student, and one more thing, you again differentiate 2t, then this gives student 2. So I write here student 2, and whole divide by student, and whole divide by square and under root get cancelled, then this come as a cos 2t only, and here student I write dx by dt, as well as when you take here student this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and this cos under root 2t, under root cos 2t and under root cos 2t become student cos 2t, and 3 I write before of the cos 2t, and sine square t and cos t I write as well as student, and this becomes student minus minus become plus, and here student sine cube t and sine 2t I write it as well as student whole divide by cos 2t. This cos 2t I write as well as student. And one more thing student, when I take the LCM of both these fraction, then LCM also come in the multiplication of the cos 2t. So I write here student under root cos 2t. Now student I take common from here, then this becomes student value of dx by dt is, when you open the formula of sine 2t here student, then this become student 2 times sine t into cos t. This become 2 times sine t into cos t, and this student sine t and cos t, here sine square t and cos t is come. So I take common here student sine square t and cos t, then this becomes then 3 cos 2t, and this becomes student here remaining 2 power is go outside, then remaining sine t, and this sine t becomes student sine square t, and this cos t go outside. So student, and 2 is also remaining here student, so I write here 2 sine square t and divide by student cos 2t under root cos 2t. Now student I calculate dy by dt, so I write here student dy by dt is equal to, here we apply both side d by dt, so I write here dy by dt, and here I write d by dt of cos cube t whole divide by student under root cos 2t. Here we apply first second rule student. What is first second rule? Second d by dt of first, which is cos cube t, first d by dt of under root cos 2t. And whole divided by student square of second, that is cos under root cos 2t square of under root cos 2t. So now student, I differentiate this and write cos 2t as well as differential of cos cube t, student, 3 cos square t, and when we again differentiate cos t, then this give minus sin t. This minus sign I write as well as student, and cos cube t I write as well as. Differential of cos 2t is become student 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t, and when you again differentiate cos 2t, then this gives student minus 2 sin 2t. I write here directly. When you again differentiate 2t, then this 2 is also come, so I write minus 2 sin 2t here student, and whole divide by student square and under root get cancelled, then this become only cos 2t. Now student, this 2 and this 2 I cancel, and this under root cos 2t is multiplied by this under root cos 2t. When I take LCM, then student, I write here, then value of dy by dt is become student, this becomes student minus sin t, sorry student, this become minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t, and minus this become student, this become cos cube t and sin 2t whole divided by student cos 2t under root cos 2t. Now you can watch here student, I take LCM cos under root cos 2t, and when both this term I divide this terms by 1 and take LCM cos under root 2t, then this under root cos 2t is multiplied by this under root cos 2t, then this becomes student cos 2t, and 3 I write minus 3 I write before of the terms, then minus 3 I write before of the terms student, and cos square t I write as well as, and this sin t come here as well as, and this minus sign and this minus sign student become plus, and this cos cube t and sin 2t, cos cube t and sin 2t I write as well as, and under root cos 2t, which is the LCM of both this fraction, come in the multiplication of this cos 2t, which I write in the multiplication under root cos 2t. Now student, I take common. Now I take common dy by dt is student. Here I take common cos square t and sin t. Then this becomes student, when you open the formula of sin 2t in the term of sin t into cos t, then here remaining term is student, cos square t is go outside and sin t go outside, then this becomes student cos square t 2 times cos square t, and this minus come as well as, and 3 I write as well as, and this cos 2t is remaining here student, and now I write the value of the denominator, so cos 2t I write as well as. Now student, you are watching that the value of dx by dt is here, the value of dx by dt is this is the value of dx by dt, and here student, this is the value of dy by dt, this is the value of dy by dt. Now I calculate the value of dy by dx student. Value of dy by dx is calculated by student dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So when you divide this value by this value student, then you watch here that cos t and sin t of the numerator terms are cancelled to the numerator terms, and denominator terms cancel to denominator terms. If I watch the numerator terms of dy by dt student, Then here cos square t and sin t is coming, and here student sin square t and cos t is coming. So cos t and sin t get cancelled, and remaining term is student cos t divided by sin t. So this becomes student cot t. This become cot t, and this bracket I write as well as student 2 cos square t minus 3 cos 2t, and whole divide by this 3 cos 2t minus sorry, not minus, plus student 2 sin square t. हमें लगता है कि हमने यहाँ पे कोई गड़बड़ी कर दी है, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन आना चाहिए था स्टूडेंट्स। देखिएगा जरा, this minus sin cube t come as well as differential of cos 2t is become student minus sin 2t. This become minus minus plus, and 3 cos 2t and sin square t cos t come as well as student. And let give me 1 second. सॉरी स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर कुछ भी गलत नहीं है, सही चल रहा है सब कुछ। तो हेयर स्टूडेंट आई राइट cot t as well as, and here student I open the formula of cos 2t, then this becomes student cos square t I write as well as this become. And one more thing student, when you open the formula of cos 2t in the term of cos and sin, which is cos square t minus sin square t, and you multiply by minus 3 inside of the cos square t and minus sin square t, then this become minus 3 cos square t and plus 3 sin square t student. I write clearly here student 3 sin square t, and student here also open the formula of cos 2t, which is 3 cos square t minus 3 sin square t, and this plus 2 sin square t I write as well as student, and this cot t I write as well as student, and this becomes student 3 sin square t I write as well as, firstly I write 3 sin square t student here, sin square t, and minus 3 cos square t and plus 2 cos square t becomes student minus cos square t, and whole divide by this becomes student 3 cos square t I write as well as, and this becomes student minus sin square t. Now student, if you divide bracket terms by student sin square t, then this becomes student, this become 3 minus cot square t and divide by 3 minus 3 cot square t minus 1. Here student I divide in the numerator and denominator terms by sin square t student. When you divide sin square t by sin square t, then this become 1, so I write only 3. And here student cos square t upon sin square t become cot square t, and this cos square upon sin square become cot square t, and this sin square and sin square t divided by sin square t become 1, so I write here 1. Now student I take minus sign common from the denominator terms and multiply cot t inside the terms here student. So value of dy by dx is become student, value of dy by dx is become cot t I write as well as, cot t I multiply inside the bracket term student, then this become 3 cot t 3 cot t minus this becomes student cot cube t and whole divided by student. I take common minus sign from here student, and then this becomes student this become 1 minus 3 cot square t. Now student, this sign minus sign I inserted in the outside the bracket, and this write I as well as student, and which is the formula of cot 3t student. This is the formula of cot 3t. Cot 3t, which is sorry student, cot 3t only. This is the answer of question number 19 student. Now I write more question 20 and 21 and solve them. So दोस्तों, अंततः 2 क्वेश्चन और रह गए हैं इस एक्सरसाइज के. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 क्या कह रहा है. और एक चीज और मैं बताना चाहूंगा स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 जो है आपका 20 नंबर का क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 की तरह सेम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 में हमने स्टूडेंट x और y की वैल्यू हमको दी गई है सेम एज ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 में जो दिया गया है. यू कैन मैच और यू कैन बैकवर्ड टू द लेक्चर and you can match value of x and y, or you can see in your book student the value of x and y are given in the same in the question number 18 and question number 20 student. Since here we want to find the value of d2y by dx2 at theta is equal to pi by 2, and मैं बताना चाहूंगा स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि हम लोग पहले ही dy by dx की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं. हमने जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 में आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने dy by dx की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट की थी tan 3 थीटा बाई 2, tan 3 थीटा बाई 2 ये कैलकुलेट की थी. अब स्टूडेंट हम इसको एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो ये d2y by dx2 मतलब 2 बार डिफरेंशियल हो जाएगा y का. तो हमें यहाँ पर d2y by dx2 फाइंड करना स्टूडेंट. सो मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 से ही ये जो हमारा कंक्लूजन निकला था क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 में की वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx की वैल्यू जो है tan 3 थीटा बाई 2 है, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 से हमने ले लिए है यहाँ पर. अब इसको जो है स्टूडेंट और इसको जो है हम डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x स्टूडेंट. So I apply d by dx student both side again. Now student this become d2y by dx2, this become d2y by dx2, and differential of tan theta is student sec square theta. Since in the place of theta is 3 theta by 2, so I also write same angle here. And student one more thing, this is not theta, this is not x student. I take it as a x, or you can say I consider it as a x. हमने इसको x माना हुआ है, क्योंकि x तो है नहीं है, तो इसको हमें दोबारा से डिफरेंशिएट करना होगा, चेन रूल अप्लाई करना होगा. तो हम जब इसको दोबारा चेन रूल अप्लाई करेंगे तो 3/2 तो बाहर आ जाएगा क्योंकि वो कोफिशिएंट है, और थीटा का जब आप x के रिस्पेक्ट में करोगे तो ये d थीटा बाई dx वैसे ही आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट, d थीटा बाई dx वैसे ही आ जाएगा. अब स्टूडेंट हमको अगर d2y बाई dx2 की वैल्यू चाहिए है थीटा के टर्म में केवल, और ये जो एक d थीटा बाई dx आ रहा है इसकी वैल्यू हमें पुट करनी होगी. तो जैसा कि स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर आपका x आ रहा है, तो हम इस x को अगर थीटा के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर दे तो हमारी d थीटा बाई dx की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. देखिए कैसे, यदि x की वैल्यू है 2 cos थीटा माइनस cos 2 थीटा स्टूडेंट, एंड आई डिफरेंशिएट इट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा बोथ साइड स्टूडेंट, देन डिफरेंशियल ऑफ cos थीटा इज बिकम माइनस sin थीटा, and differential of cos 2 theta is become minus 2 sin 2 theta student. And since the minus sign is already present there, so this become minus plus student. And student one more thing, that d2y by dx2 I write, as well as this becomes student 3 by 2 sec squared 3 theta by 2, and d theta by dx can be written as student 1 divided by dx by d theta. You can write it as d theta by dx can be written as 1 upon dx by d theta. Now stand 3 by 2 sec square 3 theta by 2 I write, as well as, and value of dx by d theta is student I write here, this terms I write firstly, so I write 2 sine 2 theta and minus 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta student. Now student, now I put the value of theta here, which is pi by 2, since we want to find the value of d2y dx2 at the theta is equal to pi by 2 student. So everywhere where theta is occurring, I put the theta as a pi by 2 student. So this 3 by 2 come as well as, and this is become student sec square, and when I put here theta by 2, then this become theta by 4, that is 3 theta by 4, and here student this become 2 sine. When I put here theta by 2, then 2 get cancelled student, and come only pi sine pi, minus this becomes student 2 times sine pi by 2. Now student, I calculate these terms. Sorry student, not theta, pi by 4, because I put the value of theta is pi by 2, then come pi by 4, not theta by 4. Now student, this is the becomes sec this becomes sec 135, or sec 135 is become student sec 90 plus 45, and 90 plus 45 goes on the second quadrant, then this gives student minus cosec 45, and minus cosec 45 its value is student value of cosec 45 is root 2, and since minus sign is present there, then it's become student minus root 2. So value of its value is become student minus root 2. And one more thing student, here square is also occurring, and when we squared the terms of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2 student is become this 3 by 2 I write, as well as student, and I square minus root 2, and here student sine pi its value is 0, sine pi this value is become student 0, and student sine 90 its value is 1, so I write here 1. So this becomes student 3 by 2 come as well as, and this become 2, and this becomes student minus 2. This 2 get cancelled here student, so answer is become your minus 3 by 2. Question number 20, its answer is come minus 3 by 2 student. Now I solve question number 20 student, 21 sorry 21. Question number 21, again x and y dependent on the third variable here student theta. So I differentiate x and y with respect to theta here student. Dx by d theta equal to a theta, its differential is become 1, and differential of sine theta is student cos theta, and value of y is equal to a times 1 plus cos theta here student. So I differentiate it dy by d theta with respect to theta, then a come as well as, and one differential of 1 is student 0, and differential of cos theta is student minus sine theta, so I apply here minus sine, and value of dy by d theta is become student minus a sine theta, minus a sine theta. Now student, I calculate value of dy by dx, which is calculated by dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. If you put the value of dy by d theta minus a sine theta divided by a1 minus cos theta. Student, a and a get cancel here, a and a get cancel, and this becomes student minus sin theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta. dy by dx I write as well as student, and this becomes student, when you solve these terms, then you open the formula of sin theta in the term of theta by 2, then this becomes student 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is the formula of sin theta in the terms of theta by 2, and here you open the formula of cos theta in the term of sin theta by 2, then this become 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. When student you multiply by this minus sign inside the bracket terms, then this becomes student minus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 I write as well as, and whole divided by 1 cancel, here come 2 sin square theta by 2. Now student 2 also get cancelled and its power is cancelled to this sin theta by 2, and this becomes student cot theta by 2 with minus sign. Now student, since we want to calculate in the question number 21 d2y by dx2, so we again differentiate here with respect to x. So this becomes student d by dx of dy by dx and d by dx of minus cot theta by 2. Now student, this becomes student d2y by dx2 equal to, and this becomes student differential of cot is minus cosec square. Since minus is already present, then minus becomes student minus become plus. One more thing student, that since we are differentiating it with respect to x, and here theta is come, so here student we again differentiate theta with respect to x, then d theta by dx is also come with it in the multiplication student. Now student you can write it also cosec square theta by 2 right as well as, and this can be written as a 1 upon dx by d theta, And one more thing student, we already solved the value of dx by d theta. Here value of dx by d theta is a1 minus cos theta, which I put here student cosec square theta by 2 I write as well as, and this becomes student a into 1 minus cos theta. Now student now here student I make one mistake, that when I differentiate minus cot theta by 2, then minus cosec square theta by 2 come, minus become plus, and theta is theta by 2 is again differentiate, not theta is only differentiate, here theta by 2 is a differentiate, so 1 by 2 also come with it, so I apply here student 1 by 2 before of the cosec square theta by 2, so 1 by 2 is also come with it, which I leave. Now student now this a and this 2 get multiplied to each other, then this become 1 upon 2a and cosec square theta by 2 I write as well as, and here student when you solve 1 minus cos theta, I write here 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2, then this one get cancelled, and student this 2 is come in the multiplication of this 2a, this 2 and this 2a get multiplied to each other, then this become 1 upon 4a, and this sign go upside student, then this become again cosec square theta by 2, and cosec square theta by 2 is already present here, then this becomes student cosec raised to the power 4 theta by 2. This is your answer of question number student 21, which is your last question. एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा स्टूडेंट, अगर आपको सेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिएगा, और दूसरी चीज ये स्टूडेंट कि अगर आपके कोई मित्र हैं जो मतलब आपके ही क्लास में पढ़ रहे हैं, मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं, तो उनको ये वीडियो शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी जानकारी हो कि यहाँ पर आपके लिए पूरा सॉल्यूशन RS अग्रवाल का यहाँ पर उपस्थित है। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज के सॉल्यूशन में। 10I एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, 10J के सॉल्यूशन में मिलते हैं। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।